go more into like accommodation now, where did you, and we kind of break down your, would you say 4 or 5 years?
I thought, I'm not that old.
4 years.
Come on, man.
So in your
Yeah,
first year, where did you stay?
Cranborne.
And can you tell us about what that was like staying in Cranbourne?
Cranborne was live. But you know what though? No, the amount of accommodations that have just popped up, like they've literally just shat on Cranborne. Sorry for the language. They
It's all
literally
right.
just like piled it on Cranborne. Like it looks pointless. It just looks like a block of flats now. Like, it looks
Okay.
awful compared
So
to
when
like
you were
they've got,
going, this is obviously in your first year, were there not as
yeah.
many? How many options were there?
Oh, you ask me numbers. I don't know numbers like
Oh, like did you like?
that.
So okay,
No,
so so
there was about like 6, 7, like
okay,
5 decent ones. The other two were just like you just got thrown in there. They didn't
okay.
really know no
So
one.
what was it like living at Cranbourne? Why was it live?
I think I had a good group of people. Like I met some good people in there
Good
that I'm still
vibes.
real close to today. Like
Mm.
that's
And
uni, innit?
now
Like
second year, where did we move to?
second year, moved to Winton.
And so in a house.
Yeah, moved to Winton in the house.
And was it better or worse than living in Cranbourne?
Oh, much better. After that first year, you settle down with your people, group together with a few of your mates, close mates. Pick a nice yard. We had a nice house to be fair, like a real nice one, like not your typical student one. So it looked like homely. So
Mm.
we didn't fall into that trap. But yeah,
What
no, that's
trap
what
is
it
that?
was. Well, you get sucked in. I just started. Don't get sucked in by these agencies telling you that you need to get the yard now, or nah, you need to pay for it right now, otherwise you're not gonna get any better. You'll get better in it. Like
So kind of
houses
just
always
don't
go
rush
back on the
into it.
market. There's always houses in it. There's always
Mm.
houses.
So try to take your
I
time
just
and
grab
kind
your
of look
person
around.
and then just look about. Just take your time and look about. And make sure you don't get bumped by the agency as well, because
How would you avoid getting bumped?
chat to people of experience.
Okay.
That's the only thing you can really do.
So now next year, we're in our third year, I think.
Yeah.
So where are we staying in our third year? Same house?
No, I moved down to Springbourne actually.
Moved out of Bournemouth.
No, it's not too far from town, going towards Boscombe sides,
Okay.
Sketty area.
And what was that like living there?
It was an experience, I can tell you for that for sure.
Was it a good experience?
Mixed, mixed.
Is it something we can
But it was
say
good. Like
on
every
camera?
experience is a good experience. Come on now.
Is it something we can say on camera, or are we going to go past it?
I don't know. I mean, it's not that deep in that kind of sense. Like, but in terms of the house, in terms of the house, in terms of the house itself and the area, then the area is a bad area. The
Ah.
house is a bad house. Like we had our ceiling fall through.
Oh.
No, I'm saying it.
Okay. So,
um,
but obviously you've learned.
yeah, no, we had it. It was a private landlord, but it was done through an agency. So as soon as we went through the agency and they passed over to the landlord, then the agency was not involved. So any problems that we had to go through the landlord, and the
Ah.
landlord, everything he did was not in our best interest. It was
Okay.
obviously for his pockets.
Okay. So
So
now we're in this year. Where are we
yeah,
staying?
where we staying? We're back in Winton.
Back in Winton. Back in the same house or a different house?
No, different house, different house.
Okay. And is it better or worse?
Um, no, better than last year. Better house than last year.
Okay. So let me ask, if you could
Competition
go,
with second year.
you've pardon say that again, sorry?
I said it's in a competition with second year, but I
Okay.
like this stuff.
If you could go